Ready to jump into the world beyond reality? Enjoy Moratia City Puzzles. Download the free app from App Store or Google Play. Find GPSs needed on your phone or tablet for proper game flow. Create your Moratia account or log in with the one you already have. You can use your Facebook account too. Browse the game list to find the right one for you. There are many genres, levels of difficulty and locations where you can play in many languages. Use the map button to see games with their starting points. Choose a city where you are: London, Paris, Rome, Venice, Budapest, Barcelona and many more. Buy the selected game using florins, the currency of Moratia. You can buy florins from inside the app or ask for them at the reception of your hotel. Download the game and listen to its first scene of introduction. During the game you will not need internet, map and to keep your phone alive. Solve the game step by step, going through the nicest locations around you. Find the next stop, turn on your phone and if you were right, your next puzzle waits there. Enjoy playing Moratia games.